so I want to show you how strong Picasso's beak is. Now all I need from you is just one finger. No, I'm just playing with you. Picasso's beak is strong enough to break a boomstick in half, so we don't want to do that. What we're going to have is a contest. Can you beat Picasso in a contest? Okay, we're going to have a nut cracking contest. So I'm going to give you an almond and Picasso an almond. On the count of 3, you're going to try to break them open. But there's just one rule. We don't want you to use your teeth. Alright? Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Uh-oh. Picasso's already halfway done. Come on, Alex. You can do it. I believe in you.
Go, Alex!
All right.
Doing good. She's unfortunately, Alex, she's already done. But you probably had the best fight that I've seen so far. Now, the contest is a little fixed because Picasso's got a nutcracker built right in front of her face. Her beak. Thanks for helping out and thanks for being a good sport.
Way to go.
What's your question? So he asked why her beak is shaped like this. Like her curved beak is perfect for her to crack open nuts like I just showed you, as well as thick-skinned fruits. They can crack open some of the hardest nuts in the world, like the Brazilian nut. If we had one here, you could bang on it with a hammer. You couldn't break it open. You give it to Picasso, she could break open into it real easy. So her hooked beak is especially adapted for her to crack open nuts and thick-skinned fruits. They don't usually use their beaks to peck. Their beak's not like a woodpecker beak. Now this is Lizzie. She is Picasso's living partner. They live together, and she just came out to show you that macaws can be fantastic flyers. And she lives in the rainforest of South America, but Ruby's actually one of the most endangered parrots in the world. And you guys can help out by just being conscious to what type of foods you buy. Foods that contain palm oil can be really devastating to the habitats of South America. So if you just buy foods that contain palm oil with from a sustainable source, then you can help out maintain their habitats.